Welcome to my activity video presentation. Name José Nicolás Vargas Oviedo. Course English Does Work Level 1. Instructor Alba María Valle Ortiz. My favorite store. Welcome to the one. I always go to the one. I visit it almost every day. Product. Arepas, egg, cheese, sliced bread. The price of the product. Arepas 10 uni, $1. Egg 12 uni, $2. Cheese 350 grams, $2.50. My opinion about the price of the product. Arepas are as delicious as their price. The eggs are affordable and high quality. The cheese is cheaper than in other stores. The bread is cheaper than the fruit. Thank you.